Hello YouTube. I'll be showing you today my sister's parrot, Andy James Crump. I really forgot his name. Okay, here he is. Well, he's sleeping now, but yeah. Well, he's not sleeping. There he is. Oh, Andy. There's little bubba. Say hey, Andy. Yeah, hi. Hi. Isn't he cute? I just hate the bird, but I don't know, he's grown on me. Especially since that time. Anyways, see more of Andy. Yay. You're a pretty bird, aren't you? You're a pretty bird. Handsome. Look at his eye. Look at that eye. I gave him that cloth. It was like down to there. That cloth right there. It was down to here. And he just did it all up. Yeah. I'm gonna feed him now. Because Mr. Drew's not here. Yeah. It's gonna get kind of loud, so prepare yourself. This is my bathroom. Cat food. There's not that much left, Andy, so we gotta... Ready? Are you hungry? Yeah, I'm sure you are. Yeah. Look at open it. Gosh, open it. Don't let me. Don't let me. Stop. Jesus. And he's laughing. Just to let you know. He's kind of evil. Look at that laugh. I'm trying to help you, Andy. God. What is all this? This must be the water. Now that you gotta do better. I don't know what to do with this. Ew. It's so gross. Here you go, Andy. Push the buttons. I'm sorry. Okay, stop. Let me get it. Oh, that's cute. Open it. Oh, are you gonna open it? No, you're not gonna open it? Okay. Come on, open it. Open it. Come on, Andy, open it. Okay, well, please do. Andy Precious. And that's it. That's how you feed a bird. Well, a parrot. Yeah. This is what you grind his beak with. Okay. Well, you're welcome, Canada, and I hope you watch this or whatever. You're welcome. Bye, YouTube.